Today, you'll learn the easiest way to add your website's XML sitemap to Bing Webmaster Tools. The first step is to find the XML Sitemaps location, which is quite easy. All you need to do is go to your website and add /sitemap.xml at the end of the website URL and hit enter. This will fetch your website sitemap. And don't worry if it appears different on your website. Its appearance varies depending on the SEO plugin you're using. I'm using Rank Math SEO plugin for WordPress, so it looks like this. If you're using Yoast, it would look like this. So don't worry about that. Just copy the sitemap URL and go to Bing Webmaster Tools. The dashboard homepage should look like this with the tile for sitemaps appearing here. Click on it. If for some reason the homepage looks different or you do not see the sitemaps tile, the option can also be found here on the left. You can click on it there. Once you land on the sitemaps page, you'll find a loan button that says Submit Sitemap. Click on it and paste your website's XML sitemap you copied earlier into the pop-up field here. And then hit Submit. It will be immediately added. You have now officially requested Bing to index your website. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know what other tutorials you'd like to see in the comments below.